Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Hotrod in Illinois on the Stryker SR-655HP. Hotrod, got you ready to go, bud. Just a standard tuning alignment per your order. I'm going to start with RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. Set it 2 watts Hotrod, that way if you decide to run an amp, you get full adjustability. 20 all the way up. And I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, about 45 bird. 100 watt scale PEP. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, about 88, 89 watts. Let's start with RF power all the way down. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello, hello, hello. Still the good 88 watts. All right, Hotrod, it's ready to come to you. Appreciate it. From your friend Truck. TruckCBSales.com. Bump, bump.